Do you know, I get asked a lot what advice I would give to somebody who might be consider becoming a poet or a writer, and I think there's two key pieces of advice actually. You can waffle, but actually to distill it right down, two things. Read everything, read all of the time. And the second thing is write. Because the difference between somebody who wants to be a writer and somebody who is a writer is that somebody who wants to be a writer talks about being a writer and maybe writes one nice thing and then stops. Somebody who is a writer will write whether people love their work, whether people don't understand their work. They will write when they feel sad, they will write when they are ecstatic. It is a part of who they are, and so and that is not something that comes that easily. It's like any other art form. You have to nurture it, you have to grow it, you have to and you have to stick with it. You have to stick with it.
O ran yr cyngor, swn i'n rhoi rhywun sy'n dechrau ysgrifennu. Dwi'n meddwl cyngor pennaf ydy jyst i ysgrifennu i ddechrau, jyst cael pethau lawr ar bapur. Ac os dwi'n meddwl na dyna di'r peth anodda. A cofio hefyd bod y drafft cyntaf bob tro yn tueddu fod yn wael iawn. Ac felly, pan da chi yn ysgrifennu'r drafft cyntaf, beidio anabeithio, beidio darllen drosto fo a meddwl, o gosh, dwi'n methu ysgrifennu, mae hwn i gyd yn nonsens ac yn y blaen. Cos be dwi'n tueddu wneud ydy, dwi'n ysgrifennu drafft a dwi'n mynd drosodd a dwi'n gwella dipyn bach bob tro, dwi'n mynd drosodd eto. A erbyn bod fi wedi mynd drosodd o'r 200 tro neu rhywbeth fel, mae yna rhyw fath o waith dan dechrau dod allan o'r peth. Felly dwi'n meddwl yr cyngor, dwi'n meddwl, fysa i beidio poeni gormod am y drafft cyntaf, jyst sgrifennu, cael popeth lawr ar bapur ddechrau, mae lot haws wedi newid unwaith mae wbeth lawr ar bapur nag ydi o jyst i gael y geiriau i lawr yna i ddechrau. A dwi'n meddwl hefyd, i tueddu ganolbwyntio falle ar yr elfennau sydd ddim yn gryfder i chi fel, os na'r plotio di'ch cryfder chi, canolbwyntio falle mwy ar y cymeriadau i ddechrau meddwl, reit, sydd wedi mynd i ddatblygu'r cymeriadau, fel bod yr cymeriadau ddim yn rhywbeth sydd yn cael ei wasgu mewn yn y diwedd. A wedyn, os da chi'n tueddu fod yn eitha cryf ar y cymeriadau, falle i ganolbwyntio mwy ar plotio i ddechrau a meddwl, reit, sut mae'r plot yn mynd i weithio allan a sut mae hynny'n mynd i strwythuro o gwmpas cymeriadau hefyd. Felly falle meddwl beth yw'ch cryfderach gwendidau chi fel nofelydd falle neu ysgrifennwr a trio gweithio gwmpas ein ni hefyd.
The advice I would give to an emerging writer is do it. Go for it. Believe in yourself, believe in your story, advocate your story, believe in your words, and what have you got to lose? Just go for it. That's what I did.
O ie, mi wrando ar y cyngor yma'n hun haid, ond dwi'n meddwl mae'r cyngor sydd ydy sgwennu bob dydd, darllen bob dydd. Dyna di'r prif beth. Yeah.
I do think this. I think it's worth knowing and developing what's distinctive about you and what's different about you. I think writing is about not worrying too much, kind of about trends or what's popular at that point, but kind of having some time to develop your own identity. I think that's one thing that I'm really grateful for is that there was kind of a long time of my writing being very rubbish, that I did have time to kind of develop my own thing rather than kind of aping too much other people.
Be self-critical. Enter competitions, I mean good competitions, because it gives you a really good professional read. And when people tell you that something's wrong with your writing, take a step back. It's very easy to get defensive about your own writing, even when you've had books published. Take a step back and consider what they're saying and whether they're valid criticisms, and be prepared to take them on board and change things. But at the same time, you also have to be prepared to have the courage of your convictions. So that's why entering competitions is so useful, because the person doesn't know you. It's not a personal transaction. And so when you make it through to a short list or something like that, you can be pretty sure that you've produced a reasonably good piece of work.